Right, let's just do a sound check before we race. It's all right. It's a Rolls-Royce, so it's got to be quite sedan. I think they get a good balance of a nice engine sound, but not being too intrusive. Whereas... it's crap.
What? I think that sounds good.
Doesn't your soft limiter's dreadful? Yanni, just make a noise, please, with your mouth.
I'll be honest, your twos are both rubbish, so really, I'm good with this and mine's EV.
Anyway, enough of that. Let's get on with the racing, all right?
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I think I jumped.
Oh.
Oh, I'm good to go. I'm good to go.
I'm really getting back in though, come on!
Oh my God, I beat them both.